name is James Kerr and I'm with Red Roo Sales and Service. And we're in Mount Macedon, Victoria today, here with the SP 4012 Stump Grinder. This particular machine is available from Red Roo in 4 different engine options. We have 2 that are petrol and 2 that are diesel. Our petrol range has a 27 horse Kohler Command Series engine or a 35 horse V-twin Vanguard Briggs & Stratton engine. Our 2 diesel options are manufactured by Kubota. One of them is a 33 turbo diesel, which is what you've been watching here today, or we do a 44 turbo diesel as well. Now this machine will swing 40 inches. Okay, and it has a depth of 12 inches or 300 millimeters. And what makes this machine so nice to use is this wireless controller. It also has a tethered remote as well. It gets you out in front of the machine about 20 feet. So you have 2 redundant systems on this in case something happens to your wireless controller. You can plug the machine in with the tethered remote, or you can use the toggle switches behind the machine. So there you have it. This is the Red Roo SP 4012 wireless controlled stump grinder. If you have never used a wireless controlled stump grinder before and you're in the industry, I would highly encourage you to try one of these machines today. If you would like any more information on the SP 4012, please visit our website at redroo.com.